We got Swift trying to figure out how to back up a bobtail so I can get my big ass truck out of here. But it's Swift, so probably gonna be a while. Mind you, she's bobtail, no trailer. Yeah, you're gonna hit that truck. Stop. 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 Straighten it out. Straighten it out. Come on. Oh my God. You're gonna hit that truck. You're gonna hit that truck. Stop. Stop. Pull forward. Christ's sakes. Pull forward and get straight, then back up. You gotta be kidding me right now. You cannot back up a frickin' bobtail. Shoe body. Swift can't back up. Swift can't back up a bobtail. Come on. Swing your front end this way. Good job. These are the kinds of people we have on our roads today. When you're taking your kids out, going down the highway, 75 mile an hour, 65 mile an hour. These are the people that are riding beside you in an 80,000 pound vehicle. Holy hell. Congratulations, you passed Swift's training course.
What?
Congratulations, you passed Swift's training course.
Training course?
Yeah, you're good to go now. You can drive them things all day. Yeah, she's laughing.